Now let us witness yoga drill by our students of grade 3 and 4.
Yoga is not just about exercise, it is a journey of harmony between the mind, body, and soul. Today, our young yogis will take us through a beautiful flow of poses inspired by the ancient art of yoga that celebrates fitness, flexibility, and inner peace. The sequence showcases the essence of Surya Namaskar and other poses emphasizing balance and grace. Let us cheer them on as they bring the spirit of mindfulness to this event. Surya Namaskar. We begin with the graceful Surya Namaskar, a sequence energizing the body and mind through synchronized movement and breath.
Tadasan.
How mesmerizing it is to watch this graceful yoga.
Ardha Chakrasan. Trikonasan.
As we witness the serene and graceful yoga performance, let us embrace the tranquility it brings. Each movement a reflection of balance, each breath a reminder of inner peace. Let the harmony of mind and body unfold before us, creating a moment of calm amidst the energy of this grand sports day.
पर्वतासन। वज्रासन।
The environment has converted into a soothing environment. Let us enjoy it.
भुजंगासन। बद्धेय कोणासन।
Can you feel the positivity in the air?
As the sequence draws to a close, the performers end with the Namaskar gesture, honoring this timeless practice and the audience. This beautiful journey concludes as our students exit the stage, leaving behind an inspiring lesson on strength, serenity, and wellness.
Excellent performance! Thank you to the performers. We shall try to practice this yoga in our day-to-day life to keep ourselves physically and mentally fit and healthy. Now, let us welcome a group of talented students who are about to mesmerize us with their special yoga performance. Their graceful postures, strength and balance embody the true spirit of discipline and well-being. Let's give them a huge round of applause as they take the stage to inspire us with the art of yoga.
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ, करके दिखा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां। शाबाशिया, 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 शाबाशिया।
Shabashiyas!
सच होने की खातिर जो सपने कीमत मांगेंगे, जाग के रातें कीमत भर देना। जब नजदीक से देखे तो खुशियों के आंसू आए, तू नजरों को वो मंजर देना। खूबी एक ही एक दिन मिटाएगी तेरी हजार खामियां, करके दिखा कमाल।
As the performers move seamlessly from one posture to another, we can truly see the power of focus, strength, and inner peace that yoga brings. Each movement reflects harmony, discipline, and beauty of mindfulness. Let's applaud these young yogis for their incredible dedication and energy. Come on, let's cheer them on! That was truly a mesmerizing display of strength, flexibility, and harmony. A heartfelt thank you to our talented students for their inspiring yoga performance, reminding us all of the power of discipline and mindfulness. Let's give them another round of applause for their dedication and grace.
Let us move forward with the next event of bamboo drill by our students of grade 5th and 6th. Let's give them a huge round of applause.
May I know what you really had in this morning for your breakfast? Can someone please? Please, I see every one of you are very low on energy. Can someone please? I cannot see the energy. What your children are really, they have taken enough pain. Come on, my dear parents. Yes, that's great. Wonderful. It's time to come this side. My dear parents, may I please know if you are really feeling tired or would like to have some refreshment? Should I provide you? Then kindly cheer up your children, those who are performing. Woo! That's wonderful. This energy I need.
It's nice and we enjoying a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Let's all clap our hands together.
Woohoo!
Remember, this is the sports day, the day of full of energy. Come out with your energies. Look at to the rhythmic movement of our children. Come on, parents, clap your hands.
Let's come together for them. Now we can see that the energy that the parents have. Let's keep it up. The atmosphere is buzzing as these performers showcase their bamboo drill skills. With perfect timing and seamless coordination, they're making each movement count. Let's boost their energy with our cheers as they bring this performance to its peak.
Your graceful coordination and dedication during the bamboo drill performance were truly mesmerizing and showcased the power of teamwork and discipline. Great work! Moving further to the next event of the day, Lazim drill by girls of grade 7 and 8.
The first formation is the I formation. Let's cheer louder and prouder for them. Now they form a plus formation. The next formation is the Indian symbol, swastik formation. Next, they are forming the double circle formation. Next is the double rectangle formation. Here is the X formation in front of you. Come on, parents, cheer for our rocking girls. Now we have the box formation. Feel the rhythm, feel the energy. Let's cheer louder and celebrate the spirit of teamwork and tradition as our incredible performers showcase their electrifying Lazim drill. One step, one beat, one heart, filling the air with unstoppable josh.
Marching forward to our next event, flag drill by the boys of grade 7 and 8. Let's give them a huge round of applause.
fly over the rainbow so high. My dream is to fly over the rainbow.
Can we
so
all cheer
high.
for our champions?
My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high.
As the vibrant flags sway in the perfect harmony, let us celebrate the spirit of unity, discipline, and teamwork displayed by our talented performers.
My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. Rise up and don't falling down.
Each wave of the flag symbolizes determination. Each movement reflects passion. Let's cheer them on with all our energy and make this moment truly spectacular.
I try to fly a while so high, direction sky. My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. My dream is
Your cheer is their power. Let's keep on cheering for them.
rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. We'll beat again. Rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. For my mind and my brain. 'Cause I try to fly a while so high. Direction sky. I try to fly so high. Direction sky. My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. My dream is to fly.
The boys of grade 7 and 8 executed the flag drill with remarkable discipline, synchronization, and pride, making their performance both captivating and inspiring. Truly a display of excellence. Let's make some noise and give them a thunderous clapping for their amazing and heartfelt performance.
Anyone from here? Come on, parents.
ગાંઠિયા જલેબી ફાફડા ઢોકળા અને થેપલા ખાઈને આવ્યા છો, થોડી તો એનર્જી કાઢો બહાર. કોઈક એક બે લાઈન તો ગાઓ આપણા છોકરાઓ માટે. આપણે બસમાં ક્યાંય જતા હોય હરતા ફરતા તો કેટલી તાળી પાડી પાડીને મજા કરો છો. આજે અહીંયા છોકરાઓને બી મજા કરાવો. મેમ પ્લીઝ 2 લાઈન મેમ પ્લીઝ.
यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख ले सबके अपनी जेब के अंदर, अरे हमसे पंगा मत लेना मेरे यार।
थैंक यू सो मच। आफ्टर ऑल ढोकला आ ही गया बाहर।
So, any parent from here to encourage their children with Josh?
The boys and girls are doing really well. Good efforts by school. Big cheers for school. Hip hip! Hip hip! I remember my days of school, and I would like to sing with the age of my parents a small song for all the kids and all the parents here. ये आत्म शक्ति है, दुनिया बदल सकती है, फूलों में ढल सकती है, शोलों में जल सकती है, होता है जब आदमी को अपना ज्ञान, कहलाया वो शक्तिमान, 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 शक्तिमान।
थैंक यू सर। शिल्पा मैम, आप देख रहे हो ना, ये है गाठिया जलेबी और अपने ढोकले का कमाल। अब आइए हम देखते हैं, इडली वड़ा चटनी सांबार है यार, साफ बंदर कांग है, कौन खाकर आया है बताइए। इडली वड़ा चटनी सांबार। मैम आइए, 2 लाइक अपने हमारे बच्चों के लिए।
Unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved. Being a gymnast means having the strength to hold on and the courage to let go.
Thank you so much, AEA, for organizing this annual sports meet. The performance by the kids were outstanding. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Let us witness the program now by our students.
We are now going to witness a splendid display of teamwork, coordination, grace, balance, agility, and courage. We present to you a gymnastics drill by our students.
तो ये फलक मगरूर
है ठान लिया हमने, सूरज सा जलना है, सपनों को दो परवाज़ अगर उड़ने की तमन्ना है ठान लिया हमने, सूरज सा जलना है, सपनों को दो परवाज़ अगर उड़ने की तमन्ना है।
Let's keep on cheering for them.
ऊंचे रहे जो तेरे कद से इरादे, तो ये फलक मगरूर बेबस होके तेरे आगे दिखेगा मजबूर। तुम ताना ना तुम ताना ना तुम ताना ना ना तुम ताना ना 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 ना
Lift their spirits. Watch them shine today. All in all, what a spectacular performance!
नमना जरा कदम बढ़ा ये छट जाएगा हो भले तोरा मना तू मगर अपना मना जरा कदम बढ़ा ये छट जाएगा
नजरिया बदल के नजारे बदल दे खिलाफत के सारे इशारे बदल दे पैरों पे आके तेरे मंजिल रुकेगी जरूर
Keep the cheering on!
रहता लिया
लिया हमने सूरज सजना है सपनों को दो परवाज़ अगर उड़ने की तमन्ना है
Let's give them a huge round of applause for their breathtaking performance!
जोगी रे जोगी तेरे मन के सितारे कर तेरे मौज मीनारे रब बख्शेगा तुझको किनारे हो जोगी रे जोगी तेरे मन के सितारे कर तेरे मौज मीनारे रब बख्शेगा तुझको किनारे
Encourage, inspire, achieve together!
माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी पग पग प्यारे दंगल 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 सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी पग पग प्यारे दंगल 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 सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल दंगल
Keep the cheering going!
धड़कने छाती में जब दुबक जाती हैं पीठ थप थपा उनको फिर जगह बात बन जाती है बावले हाथी सी हर चुनौती है रे सामने खड़ी घूर के बड़ी आंख दिखलाती है तो आंख से उसकी आंख मिला के भिड़ जाने का नाम है प्यारे दंगल दंगल दंगल
Your
दंगल।
cheer is their power!
सूरज
Let's
तेरा
cheer for the
चढ़ता
champions!
गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 दंगल
Let's give a thunderous round of applause to our incredible gymnasts for their breathtaking performance, showcasing strength, grace, and dedication.
That's Tulu. How's the Josh?
Hi.
That's great. How's the Josh?
So now our next event is a traditional Indian sport in which a gymnast performs feats and poses in concert with a vertical wooden pole or a rope. The apparently simple term "khumb" does not reveal the complexities of the exercise, which require the performer to turn, twist, stretch, and balance on the pole. It is this consummate grace, agility, dexterity, and suppleness of body, combined with quick reflexes, muscle coordination, and sense of timing, that single out this game as special. Presenting to you Malkham drill by the students of our school.
भवानी के वीरों उठा लो भुजा को, सत्याग्नि को मस्तक सजा लो, स्वाहा हो शत्रु प्रचंड मचा दो। युद्ध कर भयंकर। दुश्मन पे वार कर, हौसलों को चीर के
Keep the cheers going!
सारी कर, नाच खेल मौत का जीत की धुन बना, जीत का गुमान कर, प्रहार कर, देश पर प्रहार है, गुमान कर।
Witness the sheer strength, balance, and agility of our incredible Malkham performers! Let's cheer them on with a big round of applause!
घमंड से चलो, ना डरो ना गिरो, काट सबको दिल से जीत के यूं चलो। घमंड की पुकार है, डरो ना डरो, दल दल में लहू के बढ़ चलो। घमंड ही तेरे शीश का शिकार है, छीन शीश सबके बढ़ चलो। घमंड से चलो, ना डरो ना गिरो, काट सबको दिल से जीत के यूं चलो।
Woohoo! Keep the cheers going on!
गिरेगा माटी करेगी, प्यास बुझेगी हो, दुश्मन कटेगा, धरती सजेगी, देश सजेगा हो। रक्त गिरेगा माटी करेगी, प्यास बुझेगी हो, दुश्मन कटेगा, धरती सजेगा।
Huge round of applause to our incredible Malcolm performers for their breathtaking display of strength, skill, and dedication. Truly a mesmerizing performance.
Respected chief guest, it is with great pleasure that we invite you to join us on stage for the most awaited moment of this event, the distribution of prizes. Your presence and encouragement will undoubtedly inspire our achievers. As they receive their well-deserved recognition, we kindly request you to honor us by distributing the prizes to our talented students, acknowledging their hard work and dedication throughout the year. We are truly grateful for your esteemed presence and support today. Who achieved a bronze medal for the CISCE zonal competition for long race with short race, and another regional competition for long race and short race. He also achieved the CISCE national competition participation. Next we have Palak Kamble, who achieved in skating for the year 23-24. Next we have Jeet Mange, the achiever in skating. Next we have Rujal Deshmane, the achiever in skating. Then we move forward to Rutika Deshmane, achiever in skating, followed by Vihan Dhoka, who is an achiever in skating, Laksh Chaudhary, Ganga, who are also achievers in skating. We follow up with Alok Chawla, Roshan Suthar and Diyansh Hiran, who are achievers in volleyball. Along with Naksh Kharat, Dev Mange, Pawan Bhanushali, Rudra Danle, Dharsh Bhangari, Moksh Bheda, Om Chamriya and Jigar Jaiswal, who are also achievers in volleyball. Now I request Sri Dhananjay Vanmali to come forward and bless our children. With the prize distribution. Next we have Advait Koyande, Purva More, Tanvi Zende, Purvi Sangvi, Vani Jain, Darshi Bhanushali, Bhavika Mehta and Kushmi Gangar, who are achievers in volleyball, followed by Mahi Bhanushali and Asta Mehta. Now may I have honor of inviting our esteemed trustee Shri Himmatlal Nandu to encourage our children with the prize distribution. we have Khushbu Suthar, who excelled in yoga, followed by Shreya Pathre, Kangna Ladwa, and Trisha Salva, who are achievers in gymnastics. Now we move on to the year 24-25 with the achievers Adya Shinde in karate, Dhun Mahavir Jain, achiever in volleyball, Jeet Mange, Rujal Deshmane, Kritika Deshmane, Ganga, and Daksh Patil, Ved Patil, Palak Tambe in skating. Now we invite upon our honorary secretary, Shilpa ma'am, to distribute the prizes. Now we have Dvij Rambiya, Sanket Mehta, Nishant Bansode, Anay Pathak, Khushbu Suthar, Hitanshi Parihar, and Harishta Patel for gymnastics. Now we invite our honored CEO, Ms. Vaidehi Vilas Kenya, to distribute the prizes. We request Fateh Singh, O.V. Shinde, Sparsh Minath, Harshad Mali to come forward, who are achievers in gymnastics, followed by Kangna Ladwa, Yash Shalake, Khushbu Suthar, Sapna Chaudhary, Durva Boyer, who are achievers in yoga. I request our Honorable Principal, Dr. Jasila Jaiprakash, to come forward for the prize distribution. Let's cheer up for the winners! I request our pre-primary headmistress and primary coordinator, Mrs. Shivani, to come forward for the prize distribution.
We welcome Mr. Sunil Kumar Prabhakaran, the Program Director in Major City, who has actively started the program Vaidhavya Sarvadhanam, a step taken by him to felicitate the hard work of teachers, doctors, and socially important people, to recognize the hard work of warriors. A huge inspiration for all of us. Thank you so much, Sunil sir, for your constant support and presence here.
We welcome our pre-primary coordinator, Hemal Man, to distribute the prizes. Now we request our esteemed guest, Mr. Sunil Kumar Prabhakaran, to come forward for the prize distribution. Now we request our PE coordinator, Mr. Pradeep Singh, to come forward for the prize distribution. Last but not the least, the achievers of football in 24-25, Master Heath Jain, Master Moksh Bheda, and Master Swarnim Samdadia, who are achievers in football. Also, Ansh Patil in volleyball. Respected Shubham Vanmali sir, on behalf of everyone present here, we extend our sincere gratitude for gracing us with your presence today. Your inspiring words and support have truly added to the success of this event. We thank you for your valuable time and the encouragement you have shared with our students. As you depart, we wish you all the very best in your future endeavors and hope to welcome you again soon. Safe travels and may success continue to follow you always. I request our principal ma'am, Dr. Jasila Jayaprakash, to felicitate our esteemed guest, Mr. Sunil Kumar Prabhakaran.
We now start with our relay race with first 9th and 10th relay race of boys. We now start with Venus House. First, Darshit Sangvi, Dhairya Patil, Tir Satra, Rudra Bhanushali.